Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got an interesting one. This comes by way of Golden Bay Supply down in beautiful San Francisco, California. What we got is a Thai variety, which I'm sure it means something completely different, but just the way it sounds is kind of funny. This is a bag of doo-doo. We're going with it's pork flavor, pork sausage flavor maybe. A little piggy. And then on the back it mentions dehydrated white. Can you see that? There you go. Dehydrated white pork sausage. So that's my guess that this is pork sausage or minced pork flavor. That's pork. So I got a few things. This one's really simple. 400 mils in a pot. You add the seasoning and the noodles, and the noodles are really interesting. These are totally different. Yeah, we don't add that, and we don't add that. We add this. Okay. Check out that. It's rice noodle, but they're like in little sheets. I should probably just put them all in at once. There's that. And I'm gonna add this in. Grab my Caesars. And it calls to leave this all together for 5 to 7 minutes. There's that wayward piece of rice noodle. Your name's Mimi, I know. I think I just did this song. If not, I don't know. But yeah, come on. I didn't set the timer. Ah. Yeah, usually I guess you're supposed to do this in a bowl, but I'm doing it in a pot. So we're gonna. There you go. We'll slap the lid on her. I'll have to stir it a bit though, because it doesn't want to be doing what it's supposed to do. Alright, now it's time for our regular daily installment of quotes from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Book by the guy, or at least possibly posthumously, of quotes from Momofuku Ando, the guy who invented instant noodles. Number 96. Do your utmost to sell only genuinely excellent products. It's reasonable. Still really hoping to find something that gives number 42 a run for its money. Number 40, the quote, 42nd quote was, think, and think again. The more I beat my brains, when I beat my brains, I pass blood in my urine. That's like, wow. It's like, what was he known for saying? Yeah, that's something. Let's stir this down a little bit. There we go. I don't want like part of the rice noodle to be sticking out and not get the proper hydration that it so richly deserves, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, so what's going on? I don't know, it's that time of year and there's like all these delicious things around and they seem to keep being around and I'm really getting ticked off about it. It's like like for Thanksgiving, my wife made banana bread. It was super good, and she made some more. At my behest, of course, you know. I'm not blaming her, but I just need to tell my deliciousness node to shut up, you know. Not too hard to do. And I didn't get out walking this morning, so I'm having my little beat myself up section. But honestly, the lowest I got, I did this whole thing. I started October 18th. I haven't talked about this as much recently. But October 18th of 18, my doctor told me I had high cholesterol and I need to lose weight and all this stuff. So I got a stroller and started walking. And changed my diet. I was really strict on it. And I lost 160 pounds. I went from 365 down to 204. And then I went and saw him. And what does he do? He says, "Oh, you should be happy, you know. You can relax a little bit. It's okay, you know, da 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 da." Well, again, I took his advice, and now I'm up to 222. And I don't like that. I need to get on the stick again. But it's like convenience, and I honestly gotta say, this homeschooling crap is for the birds. I can't wait till we can get the kids back in school again. I'd rather do it though this way than to get them in there early. I don't trust the whole concept yet of, oh no, bring the kids to school. They don't give it to anybody. No, screw that. I think that's like the reason, you know, there's so many schools that are closed. And I think that's probably why, you know, there's not a lot of kids spread, because they're not there. I mean, I don't know. I'm having a harder and a harder time trusting humanity to be logical. It was hard before, but boy, people are just really just plain dumb. And I don't know why. And it's got to be something in the water. It's got to be. But yeah. That, and I have a hat problem. I don't know if I mentioned, but I got that fancy new big poofy hat. It's not like it's too tight. That's what the question I keep catching. Are you getting a compression headache? I'm like, no, I don't think so. But I put this hat on, and then like, I don't know, I wore it for like 20 minutes for an unboxing for actually this stuff that I'm doing today. And after 20 minutes, I'll put it down. And then later, it just all of a sudden, it's like the front of my head's warm. I've got the headache. I just feel like way overheated and just like, yeah, maybe that's a compression headache. I was looking it up. It's like, and it's actually, it is fur. It's rabbit fur. So I was thinking maybe you can be allergic to rabbit fur. I don't know. I've never really had anything that's been with fur. Well, I looked it up and then I saw somebody going off about, oh yeah, if you have anything like that going on, you should go see your doctor because it could be a sinus infection. Like, and the person who posted said, well, I'm a lawyer. That's what I do. I work in the legal profession. I don't know. I need to get one of these books, like the Momofuku Ando book of quotes. I really do, because like one of them would be like, person who has internet for doctor has fool for a patient, you know? Seriously, don't listen to the internet, go to a doctor. But honestly, it's just so easy to look crap up. Generally, most things I've found on the internet kind of direct you to go see a doctor. Because anybody who's saying, oh, do this, you'll feel great, you know, they've never heard of a thing called liability. You don't want to get busted for giving people bad advice. Okay, so I swear this thing said there was chili paste involved. That is not chili paste. I'm really not sure what this is, but there's no paste sachet in here. I feel like there was supposed to be a sachet. I don't know. I don't think it's chili. It's like it's black. And it's obviously it's not expired. So we'll add it in. Give it a stir. And then we've got this shallot topping. That's definitely. So what we'll do. These noodles are interesting. Alright. Enough of me, enough of my face. Let's pour this in here. And let's put the shallot topping, almost all of it on. Actually, what I should do is take a bite, add some. Oh, ho, ho, hee, 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 hoo, hoo, ha. I know. So this was 7 minutes. I don't know. Come on, doo-doo. Salads on it. There we go. It's spicy. It's the broth. That's interesting. I'll give it that. I'll give it my seal of interesting. It's almost like it's got a bitterness to it that I don't understand. I think it's from that black stuff. I'm doing chashu because I don't have any of that neat looking white pork sausage. I'm hoping this is allowable. I do know that they love what do you call it? Ramen in Thailand. That's like a big thing. Okay. We got an egg. Because it showed an egg on the package, and I take those serving suggestions to heart, that's for sure. Hey! Hi there, you came out different than the other two. Why is that? Not a complaint, not at all. Okay. Put some coriander on there. And we're gonna do a little bit of pepper flake. Ooh. Yeah, this stuff's already pretty spicy though. I was not expecting that. Pepper flake. I'm gonna do some black sesame, just cause. It's gonna look better. And I think we are good to go. So let's let Rotato make this magical. All right. Ready, steady. Ready, steady. Are you done with your lunch? You did. new stuff is pretty good. I really like it. It's spicy. It's got an interesting bitterness to it that's not what I expected. The rice noodle is very good. Cool. New Thai stuff that I get to try out. Very good. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of each and every day of your noodles and yourselves. So have a good one. Bye-bye.